in Chennai. It's a Phoenix Mall. I love this place. So yeah, let's go inside. Previously for Phoenix the entry would be from this side, but due to Corona they changed the entry to the other side where they could automatically scan the body temperature, and you need to register once you need to enter this mall. And you could see the sanitizing mat where you could even sanitize your legs, and there is a UV screening for the bags which you carry. So yeah, they are following all the precautionary measures. And yeah, let's go inside. I told you now there are 5 reasons to visit Phoenix Mall. The very first reason is this first and best reason is Zara. This is an international brand where there will be very good collection. And one thing you need to note is with proper prior permission. I took permission from the people out there who are working there, and I shooted this video to show the people who miss Chennai. I mean people who are studying here but now locked in their hometown. So for them I need to show this collection. So I'm making this video. So you could see good jackets, and the price is bit high but it's worth buying. It's having good quality, and you could see different shoes, sneakers for boys. Yeah, whoever visit Phoenix then definitely should visit this Zara. Don't worry girls, after this boys section then we'll go to the girls section and check out the latest collections. And please don't skip the video. And this video is not completely related to clothes and all, but yeah, major percent it will be regarding this. And it will be like with the food and entertainment section also. So I hope you watch the full video and like my video. Throughout Tamil Nadu, this is the only place we could find this brand, that is Phoenix Mall. So yeah, this is the specialty here. And after Corona I thought it would be like they may be keeping old stock, but I found really good collection here. And even the backpack which I am wearing now is also from Zara. I really love this brand. And yeah, a cost will be bit high, but it's worth buying. The quality would be very good. So if you're getting some good quality, then even if it's costly, it's worth buying. After 10 minutes of requesting them, finally somehow they gave me permission to shoot. I'm really thankful for them. Now we're coming to the girls section. This blazer with crop top inside is really cool, and they have different textures of cloth, fabric, and they are really nice and bright. And okay, keep going, watch the video, I'll not disturb you. Here you could see different sweatshirts and totes also. You could buy these totes. These are really good. Even after having many black clothes, whenever I see a black color dress I feel like buying. I was completely addicted to that color. I love it. And you could see different footwear and jackets. The sneakers for the girls was really nice, and you could see some of the jeans also there. And it was time to come out of the store now. I'm just having a glance of overall thing, and I'm about to come out of the store. store name is India. Here you could find Indo-Western outfits. It's really good and bit costly when out. I already told you that one is for the good brands and the second is for the delicious food. Actually here Sizzlers were very famous, but I already ate that. Now I'm trying some tandoori from Arabian Hut. It's really good. And you could see here the third reason, that is art decor and installations made for super backdrop in pictures. Here we could get good pictures, and that is the third main reason to visit. I visited Phoenix Mall many times, but I never went to this store. This is the first time I'm entering into it. This is an entertainment store. It was really entertaining. Here you could get some toys of Marvel series and some gift articles and graphic t-shirts here. And the shop owner gave me permission to play with this. You know now, this is Thor's hammer and a magic hand. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. From here we are going to the lifestyle stores. We could get some watches, beauty products also, but be careful for testers. Okay, during this time I don't prefer using testers for our safety reasons, and previously I went for boys section first now, so now we'll go for the girls section. Testers in the sense for the beauty products, and even when you're trying clothes, check whether it is ironed or not. They have that system, so before not doing that ironing, don't wear any clothes, because this is corona time. We should be very careful. In lifestyle we could get both western and traditional also, like kurtis and all. Here we have ginger only and Avas, different brands. And coming to this, it's really nice now, red colored single piece. Yeah, I love it. Now we'll go for the bag section. Here we have good collection of bags, totes, backpacks, many, and in different colors. I think like different brands like Michael Kors, Levi totes and all. Now we are here at Miniso, my favorite store. Here we'll get all cute little things. So see the bags, wallets and all. It's very cute now. So yeah, now enjoy this store. Everything, whatever item you pick here, it will be really cute. I love this store. Now going to the bottle section. See, very tiny milk bottles and water bottles with small jars. And here we also find some penguins which are really soft and good in quality, and the price is also very reasonable. It's like very soft and smooth. Now we could see some you use for neck holder. Told you the three reasons, and the fourth reason is to visit Phoenix Mall. There is Zaz Movies, where different screens, different languages of movies will be there. And the fifth reason is here we have a spa, which is really cool. Unfortunately I'm not showing those because those are closed now. So I think you got all the 5 reasons. Kindly don't skip the video. You could find the other brand H&M at the end of the video. And now you could see a little keychains which are really cute, and bags also, small bags, and a cute pears. I really feel like touching it. And from there we are now entering into Palladium. Here you could see some good antique jewelry. And the reason is another reason is H&M. Here now I'm showing you some good clothes for men. I think a very few collections are there for men, and it's for women there are exclusive, and even the cost is very reasonable in H&M, and the quality will be very good. Even I'm trying the cap of men. See, I'm trying. Am I looking cute? Can you see me? I think now you can see me. Now coming to the girls section, that's really nice. Here we am seeing here boyfriend jeans, which are really good, slim fit jeans, and then you could see different tops, and I really love these sneakers and boots. These are around 2,900 I guess, but it's really worth buying this. The quality is really good. You could see some bags, and also different, not only boots, we could find some flip-flops and other sandals also for good. These are the 5 reasons to visit Phoenix Mall. I hope you like this video, so please give a big thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.